down the instructional design slopes. I'm Maria Pickering. Just as downhill skiing provides a thrilling and dynamic process filled with turns and jumps, instructional design also engages and invigorates both educators and learners. Let's explore this analogy as we unfold the instructional design plan for teaching 7th graders at Tillicum Middle School how to use Microsoft Outlook as a digital planner. According to Brown and Green, instructional design is a systematic approach of ensuring quality instruction through the development process of analyzing learning needs and goals, selecting instructional materials and activities, developing appropriate applications, and evaluating in order to create a delivery system that meets the learner's needs. Rosset outlines a 5-step process for the needs analysis. Determine the purpose based on the initiator, identify the sources, select the tools, and include the needs assessment in stages. Our journey begins with a chairlift, where we elevate our understanding and set our instructional goal, much like preparing for a ski run. Analyzing survey data from students, teachers, and parents identifies the need for enhanced digital literacy and organizational skills. Microsoft Outlook is chosen for its accessibility and familiarity. This stage prepares us, ensuring our objectives are clear and the tools suitable for the journey ahead. Brown and Green identify the most critical component for instructional design, analyzing the tasks that guide the instruction. Before we ski, the slopes must be prepared, in the same way that our instructional design flowchart lays out the entire course. This includes introducing students to digital planning tools through articles, videos, comparisons, and hands-on activities. These elements help instructors and students understand the path and objectives, much like reviewing a map of the slopes. Understanding the target audience of learners is essential to any instructional plan. As we make the first descent, we tailor our instruction to the abilities of our 7th grade students, assessing their technology skills and readiness. One of the many considerations is that the Tillicum 7th graders are digital natives with varying proficiency levels and are prepared to learn digital organization after a year of middle school one-to-one laptop use. Gaining momentum down the slope, our needs assessment and task analysis provide a structured approach to understanding the depth and breadth of our student requirements. This mirrors a skier using skill to navigate through varied terrain, ensuring that our instructional strategies align with student needs and the evolving digital landscape. Personas are a thoughtful way to design inclusive learning experiences. This approach uses the creation of 3 to 5 personas to help frame the learning around realistic users. Like skiers navigating the course for the best path, our instructional design uses clearly defined learning objectives, aligned with the educational materials to guide students. The curriculum rooted in Bloom's taxonomy and embracing cognitivist and constructivist theories guides students from understanding digital organization to applying these skills in practical settings, ensuring the best learning pathway. Midway down the ski run, adjustments might be needed due to unexpected terrain. In the same manner, our instructional design requires adapting teaching materials and strategies based on detailed task analysis and learner feedback. This ensures the content remains engaging and effective, much like a skier adjusting technique to maintain control and speed. Roger and Gronseth identified vital themes that instructional designers incorporate in universal for design learning focused learning experiences. Those are belonging, social learning, structuredness, and universality. Ensuring our equipment is functional is crucial, both in skiing and in our instructional design. We verify that each student has the necessary tools, laptops, internet access, and access to Microsoft Outlook. We also utilize resources like ThingLink for exploring Outlook and Quizlet for practice, supported by a comprehensive digital planner website. Our course design incorporates universal design for learning principles to support diverse learning needs. Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation is a great model for evaluating the overall effectiveness of the training program by examining the reaction, learning, behavior, and results. In the final stretch of design and nearing the end of our ski run, this model assesses our training program, evaluating students' reaction to the training, their learning, how they apply these skills, and the results of their newfound organizational abilities. At last, we've made it to the bottom of the run. Our instructional journey concludes with a thorough review of the learner's experience. Using Microsoft Forms, students articulate their skills and learning outcomes, providing feedback that helps refine and improve the educational process for future learners. Reflective examination provided by the students in the form of a survey and self-evaluation rubric score can help students describe the learning journey they experienced. After a long day of skiing, skiers often gather in the lodge to share their experiences. In our instructional design, this phase allows instructors and students to reflect on what was learned, discuss improvements, and how the experience felt, providing valuable insights for future courses. The Padlet interaction with peers and classroom-based discussion of their performance, both the gains and the struggles, is a great way to celebrate the learning journey. I'm looking forward to many more runs, applying all of the different aspects of instructional design that I have learned in this course. Through this extended metaphor, we see how the strategic and dynamic instructional design processes can effectively prepare students for the challenges and demands of digitally managing their academic and personal lives. Each stage of this instructional design plan, from the start at the chairlift to the reflective pause at the mountain's base, mirrors the thrilling and intricate journey of downhill skiing, culminating in a robust learning experience that equips our students not just to navigate the slopes of Tilica Middle School, but to carve their path. Thank you for watching.